Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Mosby made a request in the comments for Unilever. Thank you, Mosby, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $113 billion, Unilever is a S&P 500 company within the household and personal products industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, minus 0.10%. Earnings growth, 5%. Earnings estimates, 6.9%. Return on capital, 14.23%. Debt to free cash flow, 4.48 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 4.23%. Payout ratio, 74.33%. Growth rate, 5.41%. Growth years, 0 years. That gives Unilever 5 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Unilever is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on Unilever in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.